Ferdinand Marcos Sr. was in power 1965 to 1986. ICC may International Criminal Court na back then, but the Philippines didn't ratify the Rome Statute. And why Ferdinand Marcos Sr. wasn't brought to the Hague? Because we weren't part of the ICC then, which former Senator Trillanes has denied. Now, about your question...
Defending kasi Trillanes.
No, I'm just saying, iba yung allegations of facts.
Sana si Trillanes na nagsabi nun eh.
Yeah.
Your interview.
No. We have interviewed him.
Para maging patas.
We have
Yung kay
interviewed him.
President Duterte, allegations din yun eh.
Okay.
So dapat i-try dito. That's the point.
That's allegations with proof.
Itong journalist ng News 5, ang daming mali sinasabi. Napaka-ignorante mo naman. Ang sabi niya, mga allegation ni Trillanes suportado ng human rights, meron daw proof. Diba ang mga ICC prosecutor inipresenta ang ebidensya doon sa korte, wala man lang ebidensya na sapat. Karamihan sa video nakaw pa. Galing mismo sa social media, hindi nagpaalam sa may-ari ang video.
Allegations with proof as collected by the human rights organizations. Pero wait lang. Let me move on to the next point.
You brought it there.
No, let me move on to the next point. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. was in power 1965 to 1986. May ICC, may International Criminal Court na back then, but the Philippines didn't ratify the Rome Statute until August 30, 2011. So that answers your question, why Ferdinand Marcos Sr. wasn't brought to the Hague? Because
Paano ipadala si President Marcos Sr. sa ICC? Namatay siya noong 1989 at ang ICC ay founded noong lang July 1, 2002. Pero mga corruption under BBM administration, PP at bingi sila, tahimik. Nasaan na kayo mga journalist? Dapat ibalita nyo ang katotohanan lang, ang facts.
we weren't part of the ICC
The
then.
Philippines is capable of handling the reason na ginagamit po ng mga nagpadala sa kanya sa Hague.
But
Ay, wala
during
nang
his
kapisanan
time,
ng Pilipinas. Ma'am, I thought it was an interview. Why are you asking for the opposition?
no, I'm not asking for
Yun
the
lang sa akin,
opposition.
yung mga points ko. I don't know. Ang dapat, bakit sila sumasagot
Hindi naman.
for them?
Yeah, I'm not answering for them. I just want to be clear what's an allegation and what are facts. And to answer your question about the Rome Statute, we didn't ratify it until August 30, 2011. But let's bring it back to today's confirmation of charges hearing. So my question to you wasn't about the jurisdiction. It was about what you thought of Attorney Nicholas
what I
Kaufman's
thought.
defense.